How to add dual clock on iPhone lock screen. I'm using the latest ios26. Simply lock your screen and press and hold, and you can see the customization. Now press on this empty area, for example like that. Add widget. Now go to the clock section. Where is the clock? This one. Select clock and press on this city digital on and 2, and now it's almost done. Now if you want to change your city, press on done. And now if you want to change your city, then you can easily change it from here. And if you want to add more city like that, then you can add. For example, I want to change this city. Select your desired city, then it will be changed automatically. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.